Where is the addicted army? I'm not able to see the addicted army up there. Where are the pips? I'm not able to see all the pips up there. Oh, here you are. You are watching my video. The whole world is watching my videos. Yes, you heard it right. Not only you, the whole world is watching. Thanks to every single one of you who are watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you from the core of my heart. Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted vlogging channel. So I have with me the Nothing Phone 1. So in this phone there are a lot of bugs, and today I am going to discuss about a really weird bug which is there with this phone, and a lot of people are not even discussing about this bug. So if you are planning to buy this phone, definitely there are a lot of bugs, but this bug is the really weird one. So we will see what is the weird bug that is in the Nothing Phone 1 and whether there are any solution to fix this bug. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if further taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So the Nothing Phone 1 comes with a lot of features, and this phone has a lot of potential up there, as it comes with the smooth and clean UI which is the Nothing OS, and this is so stock and so clean that there are no bloatware. Almost you will be getting something which can be identical to the iPhone, as iPhone has a really less number of apps and only the important ones. This is also true with the Nothing Phone 1, and the Nothing Phone 1, as we can predict, is really going on the footsteps of Apple, and we can see that they will not really release a lot of phones, but definitely they will release few phones with a lot of design elements up there. And also the animations and everything will be really good in these phones, and the software also will get better with time with the updates. So definitely a lot of good things are there in this phone, but there are a lot of bugs also, as this is the first phone on the Nothing lineup. It will be coming with bugs. So any company's first phone has a lot of issues, and this is no different. Nothing Phone 1 has a lot of them. As I am using this phone from 2 weeks, I can say that there is no such bug that will really make this phone unusable, but there are a lot of bugs. So let's discuss about the weird bug which I have faced in this phone. And you will see a lot of YouTube videos, but you will never see anyone talking about this bug. Also, whenever you will be buying this phone, make sure you are updating this phone to the latest version, and the latest version which is running on the Nothing Phone 1 is definitely the Android 12 version with the Android security update of 1st July 2022. So every 2 months Nothing Phone 1 will be giving a new update. Make sure you are updating by clicking on the check for updates option. So once you have updated your phone, most of the issues will be resolved, and the bug which I am talking about is related to the Bluetooth of the device, and this can be also the most irritating bug. So whenever you will be connecting the Nothing Phone 1 with a Bluetooth device and listen to the music, like the Bluetooth TWS earphones or any of the speakers up there, the sound which will be coming from the earphones will be interrupted after some time. Like there will be a minute difference in the way the music will be played, so the beats of the music will not be uniform or will not be playing at a time, and there will be some micro interruptions in the music, so the music experience will be interrupted for this. So a lot of people will not be able to detect this, and that's why a lot of people are not saying about this bug. But I can see subtle changes in things, and a really small change also I can detect, so that's why I've detected this one. So the music experience will not be good if you are buying this phone for now. And also I tested the Bluetooth connectivity to check whether this is happening due to the connectivity issue. So I really went far with the Bluetooth earphones, but this is not really something to connectivity options, but this is happening due to some bug which is there in the Nothing Phone 1. Also, while playing games and playing to some videos, I have seen there is a considerable lag in the sound which will be coming from the phone and the sound which will be transferred to the earphone. So there is a considerable lag, and you will be able to see that lag if you are listening to music or listening to the audio very minutely. So this is a bug, and I searched the whole internet. There are no one telling about this bug. So when I searched a little bit in depth, I can see that this bug has been noted and has been already reported to the Nothing community, and you can see that someone has already noted this bug. So here you can see it is written that they are not able to connect his device to Bluetooth headphones without glitches. So nothing phone indicated restarting the device, still the problem remains unsolved. So this is a big problem right now, and this thing is happening with not only the online streaming platforms but also offline music. So you will not be able to enjoy the music fully. And the good news is that right now, after the update, it has been fixed but not fully. So sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen. So I can really understand when it is happening. Nothing has already been reported with this issue, and they have promised 3 years software updates. So every 2 months there will be a software update, and every 2 months new bug fixes will be coming. So definitely it will be fixed with the update, and a lot of things has been fixed and getting better, and this one will also get fixed with time, because a phone at this price point should not be coming with any of the bugs, because this is range flagship device. So definitely this type of issues should not be coming, although this is the first phone from the company, so you can expect some of the issues. So definitely they are working. There is a special team of 500 plus engineers who are working on the software of this phone, so they only are focusing on the software, and this phone can give you some of the closest pixel experience, which is one of the best softwares Google come with in their phones. So definitely they are improving, and this will also get fixed with time. But I just wanted to tell you guys that this is a really weird bug which is there, and still people are facing issues with this bug. So that's it guys, I just wanted to tell you guys about this bug. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.